me, what are you doing with your hand there, Gabrielle?
I'm reading.
You're pretending there's a book in your hand and you're reading to the baby
Yeah.
to get her to sleep? And where did you learn that?
From
Who does that?
the baby.
Yeah,
My
but
baby.
who reads babies to sleep?
Me. Mommy.
Yeah, but who else?
Mommy.
Yeah, do I read you to sleep?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
And you like that?
Mommy too.
And you, Mummy. When you're a mummy, you're going to read your babies to sleep?
Mommy too, Mama.
You pretend to be Mummy? Yeah.
I do, Mommy.
You're still a mummy, and that's your baby, and you're reading her to sleep with the book in your hand. I got it. It's cute.
And time, Mommy. Then I got.
Oh, I have to turn the light off for you to read? Okay. All right, Once Upon a Time.
And my this baby had a teeth and
You guys are cute.